In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an application in Zoho Creator. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start a brand new app from scratch and set up your very first form inside it. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Creator website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, you should see the main Zoho Creator home or user homepage where your existing apps, if you have any, are listed. From here, look for the section or menu labeled Applications. This is where Zoho Creator organizes all of your apps. Go ahead and click on Application or Applications to view your app workspace. This takes you to the area where you can either manage your existing applications or start building a new one. Now, to begin creating something new, find and click the Create Application button. This is usually clearly visible on the page, often towards the top or near the center. Clicking this tells Zoho Creator that you want to start building a new app rather than editing an old one. When the Create window opens, you'll see several options for how to build your app. For this tutorial, we want full control over the structure, so choose the option that says Create from Scratch. This is ideal when you're just learning, because you'll see how each piece is built instead of relying on a template. Next, Zoho Creator will ask you to name your application. Click into the text field and type Sample. You can always rename it later, but using a simple name like Sample keeps things easy while you're practicing. Try to avoid using any sensitive or private information in your app name. Once you've entered the name, click on the Create Application button. Zoho Creator will now generate a blank application shell for you and take you into the App Builder interface. This is where you design your forms, workflows, and other components. Inside the App Builder, you'll see an option to create new form.